Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So just now I got a delivery from Amazon. This is a descaler from Bosch Siemens, costing around 610 rupees. So this is a German made product, and so let me explain why this descaler is used for washing machines and dishwashers. And before that I will tell you what are these scales and how are they formed, and what are the consequences that we face while these scales form in dishwashers and washing machines. Okay, so let's move on. So the borewell water contains large number of salts in form of dissolved salts, okay, naturally. So the deposits contain calcium, magnesium and fluorine. So we have salts of magnesium, we have salts of calcium and fluorine. So these are the salts that are leading to form scales inside the washing machine and in taps, and they corrode many taps also. Even you can see the deposits naturally. I will show you them. So this type of water, the borewell water which has salts, we call them as hard water. Okay. So the hard water is the one that causes to formation of these scales, the salt deposits on the metal surfaces. So we call them as scales. Okay. So this is how they form scales first, and later they corrode and they block the nozzles also sometimes. So we are connecting this borewell water directly to the washing machines. Okay. So the same scales can also form inside the washing machine also, because it has large number of metal components inside it. Okay. So let's see what are the parts that are going to affect it. So we will have many metal components inside this washing machine. So basically we will have a heater inside the washing machine to desalinate water. So on the top, when the water enters from the top, so there will be heater. So heating is one of the method to desalinate water. So when we heat salted water or the hard water, so ion exchange happens, and the water gets desalinated and it enters into this cabin. So when the desalinated water enters, so normally when we compare hard water and soft water, the soft water, that is the desalinated water, cleans the clothes more efficiently. Okay. So so if this heater is getting affected with the scales, and if its efficiency is getting decreased due to more formation of scales, so the scales may even form inside the washing machine, and it will corrode the entire washing machine, and you need to replace the old washing machine setup itself. So normally washing machines are having an inbuilt heater in it, heating coils. So the primary duty of these heating coils is to heat the water that enters into the washing machine. Why we need to heat? To desalinate the water. So when ion exchange is happening and water is getting heated, the chemicals, the salts are getting deposited on the coil, on the heating coil, and slowly they will get corroded, and you need to replace a new coil in the washing machine. So this is not a coil that is used in washing machine, this is a heater I am showing, but the same thing happens inside the washing machine coil also. If you are not going to desalinate, or if you are not going to remove the scales, so they may affect the performance of washing machine, and they will also cause some bad smell, and now this efficiency of coil is getting decreased, so the salt water directly enters into the cabin, and the metal components inside the cabin also starts to corrode and form scales. Okay, so that's the need why we need to use these desalinators. Okay, so when we pour this desalinator into the cabin, and we start the drum cleaning process. Okay, when we start the drum cleaning process, so it will take 1.5 hour to clean the all scales that are formed inside the cabin, and on the metal heater also. So this is the one way to maintain your washing machine. So now the task is how to use this descaler and what is the procedure. So you will find the procedure when you take this sticker off. You will find the instructions and the whole procedure in English and in German also.
पूरा इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है इसमें दिखाई देगा, इसे खोलना पड़ता है। सिक्का जैसा है पूरा ये, तो चिपक के इस रहता है। पूरा निकालने के बाद यहाँ पर जो इंस्ट्रक्शन है वो पूरा पढ़ के इसमें डालना पड़ेगा।
Now the desalinating process has started and it will take 1 hour to complete it. So I will say you an interesting thing. So daily we wash our hair with the same hard water, that is the salt water. So when they can corrode the metal components, there is a possibility they can even affect your hair root also. So the main problem, that is the hair fall, that is causing, is not because of using some chemicals, shampoos and all those things. That is also due to the salt water, and the salt, that the salts naturally corrode anything. Okay, so it is just like putting salt in your head and losing your hair. So in my next video I'll be telling how to prevent hair fall from this salinated water when you wash your hair with salinated water. Bye bye. That's it. Thank you.